Man, this is salad, man. Salad. Ooh, I don't cook finish. So I just wake up this morning. I said, man, I cook better food to make me and my wife chop. Oh God. Oh. Madam,
Waiting, okay. You don't cook.
I don't cook finish, so na salad.
Blood of Jesus. Treasure, what do you cook? What is this one?
Don't follow me talk.
Me follow you chop. Me this one na salad and chop. I think salad they hungry me. Wait, answer one question. You read salad now, you read vegetable, and you come make a chop. If you not swallow, you know come you.
Huh?
If you not swallow, just not come you. I think na semo. Now you dey make since you take get up.
You need more salt. You need more pepper. You need more pepper.
So don't I tell you so you know I tell you.
Then?
Don't I tell you so you know I tell you.
Fine. One pepper. Pepper when I put no ketchup.
Who see Anna see just carry plate come? You say na better food.
Come just around.
Just we chop waiting. Chop waiting.
Not that the carrot is big. Good. Into the work.
Now, husband, you know too. What if you did not do something?
Even carrot enter. Come just around.
Chop waiting. You don't give me some more chop. You dey call the early morning. You dey give me salad, make I chop. When baby take suck my two this thing, and they hungry. And they hungry. Hey, because make I come chop vegetable. Joe hunger.
Well.
So you be?
No. Well. I'm the guy you be. I'm the name. Now so. Now so I think carry you go 7-star hotel now. I'll come to do different dishes. I'm gonna start. No start the top.
God pass you, my husband. Now I can't leave you. God pass you. God, he just pass you. You reach salad now you call me abi for diet. But if you na semo, you also make a look your mouth say I need that. I need a diet. Me you chop am. Up just me don't chop. Me take that just for you.
Wetin man suppose to dey eat na man dey.
No, I dash you. Eat your food in peace. Make sure you finish am. If you don't finish am, you eat am for morning, afternoon, evening, you eat am. You just mean you eat am for throughout today. Finish am.
Give Maggi.
Maggi. No Maggi you wan put. I no get Maggi to give you. So cook your food. You to cook am. Eat am.
Maggi not enter.